Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you to get a modded version of the game Merge Mansion. So this is for iOS and Android. So let me just show you guys. As you can see right here, I'm pretty broke, but in the mod menu, I can actually enable unlimited gems. So I'm going to go ahead and do that just to show you guys this actually works. So that's like the main feature. So I just enabled it right here. So let's see if it goes up. So currently there's no change, but let's see what happens to our game. And let's see. Oh my gosh, it's working. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this modded version onto your device. Works on iOS and Android. So let's get straight into it, guys. This is super cool, and it's totally working. Oh my gosh, bro. So yeah, unlimited gems. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is go to tweakmod.com, and you just want to type in merge, and you're going to see it right here, Merge Mansion. So just go ahead and press install. So now we just got to do verification. So this is a simple step. It's just downloading 2 apps and completing the instructions 100% for free from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So yeah, there's a lot of cool mods on here. So if you guys do want to get them, you will see there's lots of different ones. But today we're doing Merge Mansion. So I'm just going to wait for this to load here, as you can see. So let's just give it a second to load up. And then we just got to download 2 of the apps. So as you can see, it says missing files. So just pick 2 of them. You can see like Travel Town says reach level 9. So you just press continue. It brings you to the store and you download it, reach level 9. Then they got like Merge Garden, same thing, Rewarded Play. I don't know what apps you'll see, but there is a video to watch if you're confused. But that is how to get the Merge Mansion hack for your device. So you can get unlimited gems. Super insane, guys. So be sure to try it out. See you guys later. But yeah, this is super insane, guys. Totally works. So if this video works, you guys definitely go ahead and share it. And peace out, bro.